As the world battles coronavirus pandemic, more than 6,50,000 people have been infected and more than 30,000 have died worldwide. Even as more than 1,20,000 cases have been reported in the United States, US President Donald Trump has said quarantining New York will not be necessary after the state governor said doing so would be preposterous. Trump had earlier said he might impose a quarantine on New York and parts of New Jersey and Connecticut to slow down the spread of coronavirus. There are more than 52,000 cases in New York. Meanwhile, in Italy, more than 10,000 people have died so far from Covid-19 as the cases soar past 92,000. Italy now looks at extending the lockdown, banning public gatherings and business closures past the April 3rd deadline. While the Wuhan city in China, where the coronavirus pandemic began, has partially reopened after more than 2 months of isolation, crowds of passengers were pictured arriving at Wuhan train station on Saturday. People are being allowed to enter but not leave. Wuhan saw more than 50,000 coronavirus cases and at least 3,000 people in Hubei died from the disease. The number of cases in Spain have also soared past 72,000 with more than 5,000 dead, with most deaths reported after Italy. While many countries have imposed a lockdown after witnessing a tsunami of cases emerged in the other countries. Russia is now beginning what Putin called a non-working week to try to slow down the spread of coronavirus. The government is urging people to stay at home. Russia has reported more than 1,200 cases so far, with most cases detected in Moscow. Ireland introduced a lockdown on Friday until 12th April in a bid to stem the spread of coronavirus. India has also imposed a 21-day lockdown till April 14th. The world is now just desperately waiting for a cure of this pandemic that has brought the world to a halt.